Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have swatches of Sally Hansen Canada's Spring 2021 collection called Rainbow Lights. This collection consists of 4 polishes from their Miracle Gel line, and I'm going to be topping off each swatch with their new and improved Miracle Gel top coat. First up is To The Ballet, which is a light milky pink polish. This one was fairly sheer compared to the other shades in the collection, and I think this polish would have been perfect in 3 coats, but there was one funky bristle in my brush that was sticking out and it was kind of messing with my application, so I applied 4 coats plus the Miracle Gel shiny top coat. 4 coats for a polish is a bit much for me, but like I said, if it wasn't for the bristle sticking out, and if I use the other side of the brush, I think 3 coats would be perfect. So here are 4 coats of To The Ballet with the Miracle Gel top coat. Next is Crying Out Cloud, and spoiler alert, this is definitely my favorite shade in the collection. I've already worn this shade on its own multiple times, and it's like a lavender periwinkle blue cream. I think this one also had the best formula out of the 4 shades. It was perfect in just 2 coats, and I topped it off with the Miracle Gel shiny top coat. So here are 2 coats of Crying Out Cloud with the Miracle Gel top coat. This is Sweet Pea, which is a pastel mint green cream polish. This one reminded me of Sally Hansen's Mint Sorbet from their Extreme Wear line, except Sweet Pea is just a tad lighter. The color is beautiful and perfect for the spring and summer, and it was almost opaque in 2 coats, but I did need a third in some areas. So here are 3 coats of Sweet Pea with the Miracle Gel top coat. And finally is Sun Shower, which is a pastel yellow cream polish. I don't wear yellow polishes very often, and I don't think I have anything like this shade, so I'm very excited to add this to my collection. This one also had a pretty good formula. It was basically opaque in 2 coats, but I had one little bare spot, so I threw on a 3rd coat. And here are 3 coats of Sun Shower with the Miracle Gel top coat. So here's one more look at the swatches of Sally Hansen Canada's Spring 2021 Rainbow Lights collection. Let me know in the comments which shade is your fave from the collection, but anyways, that's all for today's video. If you're new to my channel, I do swatches, reviews, and nail art tutorials, so be sure to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!